What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble the inner door panels and get to being able to install these handles on your Jeep. So you've got a couple different things. You've got screws behind here, one behind this, and then one down here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a flathead and you're going to go ahead and pry this open. And then these are just clips. These bolts just sit in there for a show. Obviously you've got one in here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and open up this door handle and pop open this piece. Oops. Take that out. Alright, so what I did was I took out the screws right here, in these two pieces, and then down here. One right here and one right here. This top screw and these two down here are going to be T20 star bits. And then these right here are going to be just straight Phillips head screws. So you take those out. And now I'm going to pop the door off from these little T-clips. They're basically like little teeth that go in, and it sounds like you're breaking the door, but you're not. So take off, try and pry. Like there's one. There's one. Alright, so now that I have the door paneling off, I tried taking off all these at one point when I first tried installing, and I realized that was a lot more to do than what I really needed to. So right here is a little rubber piece that goes in here. You take that off, and inside, I won't be able to show you, but inside you've got one bolt that holds the door handle on. And then after that, what I did was I drilled a hole. This one I messed up on. Every other one I used one of these to cover the hole that I had drilled. To make it look nice, but no one's ever going to access that from underneath that door panel. No one's ever going to see this, so it doesn't really matter anyways. Right down in here, there's another bolt right here that you go ahead and when you put it in, the door handle has the bolt that sticks in like this, and then you take the 3/8 nut and screw over it using a extended ratchet piece to go all the way in and suck it to the paneling on the outside, so therefore it becomes tight. Just like that. And then, looking in here, you've got one little lever piece that's over here that actually unlocks it and allows you to open the door. But yeah, very simple. You do that on every single door on throughout. Nothing changes in the back except for maybe where to drill the hole, but it's all relatively the same. The only thing is the back, but you guys will be able to pretty much figure that out. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any other questions. Had one guy message me on Instagram through the Instagram link that I leave on YouTube, and I hopped on the phone with him within 5 to 10 minutes of him asking me the question, and we were able to figure everything out.
We got London on the track.
How you expect me not to eat you when I was starving, you ain't feed